Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and show how to open up a Google collaboration. So first, got to pull up my internet obviously, go to Google Drive here, and what I want to do is, to be thorough, I'll go ahead and upload a file. So I'll just pick one of my old assignments, this essay here from a while ago. Okay, now that that's uploaded, I can just open it. Oh, there's a problem with this document, so I'm going to go ahead and just look at another one here. Okay, so here's just an assignment that was uploaded to my Google Drive. Now what I'm going to do is hit this open with Google Docs. Wait for that to load. Okay, so it opens it up as kind of a website instead of just a document on my computer. It's right now private still, so I still have to hit share up here at the top right corner. And what I'll want to do is enter the email address of somebody. So this is just one of my old email addresses, so I'll just put that one so I don't actually send it to somebody. You want to hit send. And since this is not a Google account, I want to hit send the link. If they're doing a Google account, you can do the send an invitation for a collaboration, but I'll just send the link for now. And hit send. All right, and that should be sent to another person, and that will allow multiple people to work on the same document.